What are you doing?
Trying to clean these gutters. It's not easy and it's messy. And I've almost fell off this ladder like 3 times.
Let me show you something. GutterBrush gutter guards are a much better way to keep the gutter clean and keep you off that ladder. GutterBrush guards fill the gutter, preventing leaves and debris from filling your gutter, but they let water flow through. They're easy to install. You just slide the GutterBrush into your gutters. No tools or professional installation required. They come in 3-foot and 18-inch lengths. If you need a shorter length, just fold the GutterBrush back. No cutting needed. Other gutter systems can be expensive, difficult to maintain, or they just don't work. GutterBrush costs just a fraction of those other systems, saving you money at installation and in the long run. Oh, these things are tough too. I mean, check this out. You've got these UV protected stiff bristles and a heavy gauge galvanized steel core. GutterBrush requires minimal maintenance and they stay in your gutters year round. Because the bristles are black and help melt ice, during winter, GutterBrush helps prevent ice dams and icicles. They also keep rodents and birds from nesting in your gutters. You won't need to climb up there again for a few years.
Thank goodness.
GutterBrush, the simple way to keep your gutters clean.